Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix it to change stores. You must first cancel your Apple Music subscription. So guys, when you try to change your country and region in App Store, and you will see this type of error that firstly you have to cancel your Apple Music subscription, and after this you can change your country and region. So guys, simply you can fix this problem and easily you can change your country and region. So first of all, you need to open your settings, make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and after this go back, scroll it down, click on general and check for software update, and you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version, and now you need to go back. So guys, after that you need to scroll it below, and from here you need to check your VPN connection. If you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN, and now you have to go back. So guys, after this simply you have to open your iCloud, and now you will see here the option of subscriptions. You have to open this, and guys you will see your active subscription of Apple Music here. So guys, simply you have to cancel your Apple Music subscription from here, and after canceling it you need to go back, and you can easily change your country and region from here. As you will see, click on media and purchases, click on view account, and guys after this you can use your face ID or passcode, and from here you can easily change your country and region as you want. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.